Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Gani on this Tongfix channel. On this video, I'm just want to discuss about how to leverage your best video. This video is really suitable for you whom very small in YouTube or just get started on YouTube, or maybe very newbie in YouTube. So here we are. Here my channel is not so good. I think I'm just started to consistent upload for 40 days on this channel, and then based on my experience, how to leverage if I found one of my videos has good views or best of the best in the small amount of videos, how to leverage the video. What you have to do, the concept is you try to make them turn into your content. So I have an illustration for you. This is my best video, and then try to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or anything that related to your best video, and then your best guess, or your hopefully hoping that people who watch your best video will turn into the next video or the second video, or vice versa, from the first video into your best video, and so on and so on. So the thing is to make your videos churn. As we know that if you view a video on YouTube, on the right side on the PC version, on the desktop version, there are suggested videos that's related to that video. So make sure if your content is already good, people ask for more. So if your content is so good, and then they will ask for more, they want to click another video on the right side on their desktop, or on the bottom side on their phone. So that's the concept. So how to doing that, let's go it together. And this is my channel, and this particular channel is what you view right now. As you can see, the views is really small, not so good, but I have one that stand out with 300 about 300 views. Here about AI videos, I just click on this, and then you just click on the link, and you should grab the transcript. Okay, click more on the description, and then click
Hi, hello guys,
and then here you copy the transcript, and then go to the ChatGPT, and then ask ChatGPT for do it for you. Please suggest me, let's say 5 video titles related to this transcript. Here 5 suggested blah 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 AI video blah 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 blah. So more likely I will create these 5 titles. The chance to these titles become a suggested video is really big, because when people seeing your videos, the first 5 videos on the right side that suggested is from that particular channel, or that's really related to the content on the video the user watch. That's it. That's my tips for you. To be honest, this method not warranty you will get success on YouTube, but I believe it would higher the chance your video flourish on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Let's grow together on this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.